Did you know that scrambled eggs are not just a breakfast staple, but they are also a global favorite? People from various cultures have their unique twist on this classic dish. This is Blogging Good Food, and I am your host, Hannah, to help you master the art of making delicious scrambled eggs using two simple methods. Whether you are using a microwave or a skillet, we have got all the tips you need. Method number 1. Microwave scrambled eggs. First up, we have the microwave method. It's quick, easy, and perfect for those busy mornings. Step 1. Crack 2 eggs into a microwave-safe bowl. Make sure to remove any bits of shell. Step 2. Add a pinch of salt and pepper for flavor. You can also throw in some chopped herbs or cheese if you like. Step 3. Give it a good whisk with a fork until the yolks and whites are well combined. Step 4. Place the bowl in the microwave and cook on high for 1 minute. Take it out, give it a stir, and pop it back in for another 30 seconds or until the eggs are set. Step 5. And there you have it, fluffy scrambled eggs, ready in just a few minutes. Method 2. Skillet scrambled eggs. Now let's move on to skillet method. Step 1. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-low heat. Add a bit of butter or oil to prevent sticking. Step 2. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add salt, pepper, and any other desired ingredients, and give it a good whisk. Step 3. Pour the whisked eggs into the skillet. Let them sit for a moment and then gently stir with a spatula. Step 4. Continue stirring occasionally until the eggs are just set but still slightly creamy. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Step 5. And there you have it, delicious skillet scrambled eggs. They are perfect for a leisurely breakfast. Well, that's a wrap for today's episode. Whether you prefer the microwave or the skillet, you now have 2 simple methods for making scrambled eggs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more kitchen tips and tricks from Blogging Good Food.